I designed this art installation to be a passage to walk through this arcade. The artwork, The Nurse's Walk, is really responsive to the lighting conditions in the space. The morning light and the afternoon light really come into the arcade in special ways and interact with the materials of the artwork. And then at night time it's lit in such a way that it's really reflective and scintillating, so it has that kind of different personality from day to night. My name is Rochelle Haley and I'm an artist who works with painting, installation, performance and also in public spaces. I'm interested in the history of the Rocks as a site in Sydney as one of the first sites for European settlement, and how important these small little passageway spaces were for inhabitants to move between different buildings. And I think the Nurse's Walk is particularly interesting as being a kind of vocational route for the early medical professionals in the area. I hope the artwork brings a bit of joy and colour and a bit of playfulness to the space, and it really invites people to walk into an arcade that they mightn't have before.